Hello friends, welcome to the Science Facts and this is part number 38 and you must be very curious about this picture. So let's go for the first fact. The Terminator. The line that separates day and night is called the Terminator. It is also referred to as the grey line and the twilight zone. It is a fuzzy line due to our atmosphere bending sunlight. In fact, the atmosphere bends sunlight by half a degree, which is about 37 miles or 60 kilometers. Isn't it a great fact? That is the Terminator. Let's go for the second fact. Gold is a noble metal and for this reason it doesn't react inside human body. This means that it is not absorbed during the digestion process, so it is safe to eat. Purity of edible gold must be 23 to 24 carats. Above that used in typical jewelry which may contain other metals and can be toxic if consumed. So if you are consuming gold, be aware about this. So what is next? Scientists have discovered a tiny new species of chameleon in the patch of rainforest in North Madagascar. This is so-called nano chameleon is about the size of sunflower seed, fits on the tip of a finger and may be the smallest reptile on the earth. Wow, isn't it a great fact? That is a nano chameleon. Let's go for the next fact. Although while polar bear usually looks white, their fur isn't white, it's transparent and their skin is black. Polar bear fur is actually see-through, but it takes on a white color as it reflects light. So please be aware about that the fur or the hair of polar bear is not white, it is exactly transparent. Isn't it a great fact? If you want to write something more about this, please do write in our comment section. So what's next? Oh, Bagger 288. The taller than the Statue of Liberty and heavier than the Eiffel Tower. This German mining machine is one of the largest land vehicle on earth. Wow, it's so huge. My car is looking so tiny in front of this huge Bagger 288, isn't it? So this is a dolphin. The dolphin's brain is the second most powerful and complex brain in animals, obviously next to the human brain. Wow, it's a great fact. So my dear friends, I hope you're liking our fact. So before going, please do subscribe our channel and please click on bell icon so that whenever we share the new video, you will get the notification. And you can always share this video with your friends and family, and you can always write to us in our comment section, and we'll meet soon in next section. Till then, thank you from the team of Science Facts. Bye bye.